Well, yesterday we have taken a decision. I told them that better we reset the whole thing, because I think some technical defect happens in the in the instruments. So I've already told the board to better postpone it, cancel it, restart again. So now it takes maybe 1 month, 1 week or 2 weeks like that. So once everything is in place, again we will start.
So what was it?
Yeah, it was technical, because through this, through this instrument, we will be able to know this fellow, he completed 1 round or 2 round or 3 round, up to 5 or 10 or 15 rounds, whatever specified by the board. So in this case, what happened was, those who completed full round, maybe if it happens to be 10 round, it's shown incomplete. When incomplete means maybe they completed only 5 round or 6 round. In fact, they are supposed to complete the entire allotment made to them, means maybe 10 or 15 rounds. So therefore, I told them, because we really don't want to create any doubts to any candidate. So I told, better we just cancel it and then check properly those instruments. And once it is in place, then again we will recall back those candidates who already done for 2 or 3 days. We will recall back and then we will start the bet.
So can we